What's up guys, we're going to do a nice and easy tuna pasta bake with a twist, so let's get straight into it. So we've got pasta on in the back on boil, so we're just going to chop through the vegetables and then get moved on to the next step. So we're making a tuna pasta bake. Traditionally it doesn't have scotch bonnet, spring onion, thyme, anything like that in, but we're just gonna, why not, add a bit of flavour, make it a little bit of a different dish and go wild with it. So I've chopped the red pepper, chopped the spring onion, chopped the red onion, and then finally it'll be the garlic and the scotch bonnet. So now the veggies are prepped, we've got this on a medium heat, so we're going to saute off all the veggies. So we can cook these off for a little bit, add in the cream and the rest of the ingredients. Now they've slightly softened, we don't need to go too far because they will continue to cook when the sauce is in. So we'll add in the cream, thyme, the dried ingredients. Just give that a good stir. So the dried ingredients is the fish seasoning and paprika, that's all it is. So the fish seasoning is optional, you could use everyday seasoning or all-purpose. Going to add in the sweet corn, but this has still got the liquid in because we want to add that little bit of extra juice. Gives a little bit more sauce as well as flavour. So let that cook out for a couple more minutes. We're going to drain off the pasta that's cooked in the background and add it into the dish. So we've got our drained cooked pasta. You just want to fold this through. I'm going to add the tuna in afterwards because if you add it in too early, it's just going to completely fall apart. Now we're adding to the tuna. I would recommend trying to get the chunks if you can, just because they hold form a little bit more. Obviously the flakes are a lot finer, I find so. And you just want to fold it through gently, just so you've kind of got some chunky meaty bits. And then we'll be ready to put it in a Pyrex dish and put it in the oven. Transfer it into here. Now we've finished that with the cheese. Obviously we've got two different types of cheeses in here. We've got mozzarella, and that's for it to be stringy, and we've got the cheddar for the flavour, but you can use whatever cheese you've got. So there we go, 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'm going to put that in the oven. So there we go, nice and golden. That's done, so we're going to get that dished up. There we go, tuna pasta bake with a twist.